How to defrag a Windows 10 hard drive. When too many files in your hard disk are in different places, your computer slows down. When you defrag your drive, it realigns everything back. Two ways to defrag Windows 10. First way, using the Defrag app. Click Windows search box, type defrag in the search box, click Defragment and Optimize Drives. Highlight the drive you want to defrag. Click Analyze button. This will analyze the part of drive. Click Optimize button to start defragmenting your hard drive. Click the Close button. Second way, use the defrag command. Right click the Start button. Click Windows PowerShell admin. Type defrag C is your drive letter. Press Enter key. This will defragment the drive where Windows 10 is installed. This can improve a computer's performance and speed, including fast booster time and quicker program launch. Okay, this information is helpful for you. Thanks for watching the video.